your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
Ang hangin. Akala ko spring na, guys. Pero, ang lamig. Saan mahal? We're looking for Uta Beauty. So, titingin ako ng mga skincare and makeup. First time ko titingin. So excited. Pag nahanap namin.
Hindi, ito.
Nandyan na?
At yung IKEA, di ba? Sabi sa ito, IKEA, job ng Justice Country. Hindi ko alam yan. What you doing?
I'm buying makeup.
Haba, mas maganda yun. Haba. Ano nabili mo lang?
Got the goods.
Got the goods.
Got the goods. Hindi yung Ito yung gusto ko i-try next time na cleanser. Pag naubos yung cleanser ko.
Ito?
Maganda daw yung brand na yun eh. It's good for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin.
Pala ko na ads ka na. Ano naman pinagbibili mo lang? Ha?
Some stuff.
Some stuff? Anong klase yun?
Okay, we're done.
What you want, bro?
Want in and out.
It's too early. You wanna eat now?
Yeah, I want in and out. Yeah, no drinks.
Do you guys like ketchup?
The sauce? Can we get 5? Yeah, thank you.
Inside and spread, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so
Thank you.
much.
In and out. Yum. Yum. Let's do a haul. This is everything I got from Uta Beauty. First is the powder blush palette. Yan. This one. Contour, bronzer and contour. Mascara. Lip liner. Sharpener for the lip liner. And eyeshadow palette. Yan. That's everything I got from Uta Beauty. I got something from Ross as well. The mga brush. Yan. Ang mahal kasi ng brush sa Uta Beauty. So, next time na lang siguro yun. And organizer. Nang para sa drawer. So, dito ko lalagay yung mga products. Yung mga ganyan. Lalagay ko sa drawer ko dun sa bedroom namin. So, that's everything I got.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as if it's easier to love.
Every Thursday, bumibili kami ng water. PM na dito guys, sikat pa din yung araw. Nagpapabaga kami kasi mag-iihaw kami ng pork and fish mamaya for dinner. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung araw. Hindi nyo na makita yung araw, pero sunlight. Ang hangin. Ay, yung ano pa? Yung grill. Ah, okay. Si Dre, tingnan mo lumalabas na naman ako. Hi guys, we're at Six Flags Magic Mountain.
Another day, another smoothie.
What are you making, love?
Strawberry mango smoothie.
Matamis yung mangga.
I haven't tried yet.
Can I try?
You can try.
Thank you, my love.
Gotcha. You asked me to stay over. I said I already told.
No, yellow lang. Hindi na tayo yellow.
Itim ko naman.
No. We're here at Costco kasi nagpapagas si Mel. Mas mura kasi dito compared to other gas stations. So, yeah. Yun lang gagawin namin. And we're going to Daiso saka sa grocery kasi we have to buy milk.
Hello?
Welcome to Daiso.
Pull down. It says pull.
Tapos pala dito na ako bibili ng headband.
Pasan yan?
For my braids.
Your braids?
Ibe-braids ako ni Mel.
What? Sige, pag-aralan ko. I got you easy.
Thank you. Ano pa? Maybe buy snacks. Guys, super sarap nito. You should try this. Sarap to. And, ano yun? Oh, this one. Ito. All-time favorite. Super, super, super sarap. Itong mushroom na chocolate na to. Super sarap. Hindi ko alam eh. $6 ata to.
Uy, $1 lang to.
Tapos na kami mag-Daiso. So, naka $9.64 kami. Mas mahal pa yung sa akin. $5 na to. $5.50. This one is $1.75. Tapos, itong dalawa ay $1 each. Yan. Ano to para sa game ni Mel? Ba't bumili?
Game ko?
Ba't bumili
Para
ka
sa'yo
pa?
yan eh.
I told you, I don't need it.
Para hindi ka nahihirapan.
Hindi ako nahihirapan. Mas magaling pa nga ako. It's for COD, guys. So, ayan. Naglalaro kasi kami COD. Yun lang. We're going to... Where are we going? No, we're going to the supermarket, right?
Nayawan.
Ano supermarket yan?
Superior.
Yun. We're going to Superior Supermarket. We're gonna buy milk. Yun lang.
Hi.
Hi! Dito na kami sa grocery.
Kailangan mo magpagupit.
I know. And milk. We're done! Wala pang 1 minute.
So, yung OA, 1 minute na yun.
1 minute na daw pala yan. Wala pang 2 minutes. Ito lang binili namin. Gatas. We're going home! Love, oh. Thank you. Thank you po. Yeah. Thanks. So, uwi na kami guys.